Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to my online class today. How are you? Hope you are fine at your home and continue your studies. Now, look at the board. There are two sentences here. Number one is he eats rice. Number two, rice is eaten by him. So, can you guess what is our today's lesson? Yes, our today's lesson is changing voice. From the two sentences, first one is in active mood and the second one is in passive mood. So, how many kinds of voice? There are two kinds of voice. Number one, active voice. Number two, passive voice. I will take a class of from English second paper, grammar for class 8, 9 and 10. Before going to my class, I want to tell you something why voice is important in English language. In our real situation, we speak English, we write English, subconsciously we use so many sentences in passive mode, but we don't feel it. So, it is not only get some marks in your exam, it helps you throughout your life to write English correctly and to speak English fluently. Suppose a few days ago our cultural program was held in our school. So, you write our cultural program was held on 10th February. Our auditorium was decorated tastefully. Our chief guest was greeted warmly. So, these sentences all are in passive mode. So, voice changing is very, very important in our English language. I know all of you know that birds. A bird has two wings, isn't it? Okay, so if one wing is injured, it cannot fly well. While it flies properly, it needs the support of its two wings. So, if we want to write English or speak English, we want to know changing voice. That means we want to know hues in passive mode. Okay, now we are going to my class, voice changing skill. Okay, now voice changing of first one, assertive sentence. According to tense, first one present indefinite tense structure. I will give you some structures and examples. First one, active voice. Structure is subject plus V1. You know V1, the basic form of verb plus object. Subject is I, verb 1 write, object the story. So passive voice the structure is object plus be, that means be verb means am, is, are, plus V3, that means V3 means ভার্বের past participle, object plus am, is, are plus V3 plus by plus subject. Subject means active-এর object, active-এর object প্যাসিভে সাবজেক্ট হয়ে এখানে অবজেক্ট এসছে, আর অ্যাক্টিভের সাবজেক্টটা অবজেক্ট হয়ে প্যাসিভে চলে যাবে। ওকে, নাও active is I write the story, passive is object the story, be verb story is V3 write, wrote, written, V3 is written, the story is written by, subject হচ্ছে I, objective form me, so I write the story passive form, the story is written by me. Can you understand, my dear students? Next, present continuous, active, subject present continuous. Number 2, present continuous, active, structure, subject am, is, are, V1 plus ing plus object. Example is you are, প্লের সাথে আইএনজি প্লেয়িং, অবজেক্ট ফুটবল। প্যাসিভ, অবজেক্ট সাবজেক্ট হয়ে আসছে, অবজেক্ট প্লাস এম, ইজ, আর, এটা তো আছেই, V1 প্লাস আইএনজি, এই আইএনজিটা চলে যাচ্ছে বিং হয়ে বি ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি, প্লাস V3 প্লাস বাই প্লাস সাবজেক্ট, সাবজেক্ট অবজেক্ট এখানে আসবে। সো ইউ আর প্লেয়িং ফুটবল, কি হচ্ছে ফুটবল, এম, ইজ, আর থেকে ইজ, বিং প্লের পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল প্লেড বাই ইউ। ক্লিয়ার? ওকে, নেক্সট প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট, অ্যাক্টিভ, সাবজেক্ট হ্যাজ, হ্যাভ প্লাস V3 প্লাস অবজেক্ট। এক্সাম্পল ইজ শি হ্যাজ done the work. প্যাসিভ, অবজেক্ট, অবজেক্ট চলে আসছে এখানে, অবজেক্ট প্লাস হ্যাজ হ্যাভ থাকলেই কি হবে, একটা বিন আসবে, হ্যাজ হ্যাভ বিন প্লাস V3 প্লাস বাই প্লাস সাবজেক্ট। অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল অন্যগুলোর মতোই বাই প্লাস সাবজেক্ট এগুলো ঠিক থাকবে। সো দ্য ওয়ার্ক হ্যাজ বিন, V3 ডান আছেই, বাই শি হয়ে গেছে হার। এখানে তোমাদের সব কিছু দেখতে হবে অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম, আই মি হয়ে যাচ্ছে, ইউ ইউ হচ্ছে, শি হার, হি হিম, দে দেম, এইভাবে। ওকে, নেক্সট পাস্ট ইনডেফিনিট, অ্যাক্টিভ সাবজেক্ট প্লাস V2, প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট দ্যাট মিন্স সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট, পাস্ট ইনডেফিনিট সিম্পল পাস্ট, প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট V1, past indefinite V2 plus object. We make এর past tense V2 made a garden. So passive is object plus was, were plus V3 plus by plus subject, আগের মতোই আছে। V1 এ যেমন am, is, are, V2 was, were. So a garden was, made এর past participle made, V3 by, ওই হয়ে গেছে us. ওকে, ক্লিয়ার? পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস, অ্যাক্টিভ, সাবজেক্ট প্লাস was, were প্লাস V1 প্লাস ing প্লাস অবজেক্ট। হি ওয়াজ ওয়াচিং টিভি, ওয়াচের সাথে ing, ওয়াচিং টিভি। প্যাসিভ, অবজেক্ট প্লাস was, were প্লাস being প্লাস V3 প্লাস by প্লাস সাবজেক্ট। টিভি was being V3 watched by him. Past perfect. Active subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Subject Meena had, V3 told, object the story. Passive. Object plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Object the story. Had been, V3 told by Meena. কোনো নাম হলে সেই নামটাই বসবে। The story had been told by Meena. Future indefinite. Active. Subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. Subject you, will, V1 help, object her. Passive. Object plus will or shall plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject. Object her থেকে her objective form, এটা যখন সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে বসবে her থেকে she হয়ে যাবে subjective form. She will be V3 helped by you. Okay? Future continuous. Active. Subject plus will or shall plus be plus V plus ing plus object. Subject I shall be V1 sing এর সাথে ing singing a song. Object a song. Passive. Object plus will or shall plus be plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Object a song, will or shall be, a song will be, being V3 sing, sang, sung. So V3 sung. A song will be being sung by I হয়ে যাচ্ছে me. Future perfect. Active. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus V3 plus object. Subject she will have bought by এর past participle bought the book. Passive. Object plus will or shall plus have been plus V3 plus by plus subject. The book will have been V3 bought by she থেকে her. Okay? Can you my students, can you understand? Okay? Now I will, okay students, now we have known that the assertive sentence from affirmative mood. Now we are going to know the negative mood of voice. Exercises, negative sentence of voice. Active. Just affirmative mood এ যেটা ছিল, I write the story, I do not eat rice, that means I do not write the story যদি বলতাম, I do not write the story. So just we use not. Okay? I do not eat rice. Rice is not eaten by me. Affirmative mood এ কি ছিল? Rice, I eat rice. Rice is eaten by me. But in negative mode, negative sentence, I do not, I have added do not. So I do not eat rice. Rice is not eaten by me. Okay? She is not. Now, active. I do not eat rice. Rice is eaten by me. I simply use do not. So, in passive mood, is not. Do not is not. Okay? So, I do not eat rice. Rice is not eaten by me. She is not writing a letter. A letter is not being written by her. Just like affirmative sentences, in negative sentence we simply use not. Number 3, you have not made tea. Tea has not been made by you. He did not draw the picture. You see, do not is not. Here, did not was not. That means he did not draw the picture. The picture was not drawn by him. This is the difference. Is not, here is was not. Next, we were not learning English. English was not being learnt by us. They had not finished the work. The work had not been finished by them. The boy will not tell a lie. A lie will not be told by the boy. The girls will not be playing cricket. Cricket will not be being played by the girls. We shall have not heard the news. The news will have not been heard by us. Okay? I hope you have understood. Now, this is the homework for you. Change the voice. I hope you will write down in your exercise book. Change the voice. Number 1, you have brought the camera. Number 2, a cake was made by mother. Number 3, the gift will not be got by her. Number 4, she is teaching English now. Number 5, they will have finished the sum. Number 6, the email has not been sent. Number 7, mother told us the story. Number 8, the newspaper was being read by you. Number 10, TV will not be being watched by us. Number 10, a bird is not killed by the young man. Okay? So, my dear students, hope you will complete it in your exercise book at home. Stay blessed and stay your home. Okay, see you again in my next class. Thank you. Goodbye.